Hello, have you been looking for the way to configure this router? This is a Tenda AC1200 dual band Wi-Fi router, which we are going to do configuration step by step. So don't skip anything. If you'd like to know how to configure, this is the model. It's a dual band Gigabit Wi-Fi router. So don't skip. Step by step, we are going to show you how to do it, and you learn how to do these configurations. They are easy to do if you are there been struggling with them. So please don't forget to follow, subscribe to this channel, and make sure you watch until the end, guys. As you know how to do everything, it gives internet to larger coverage, and it's a dual band Wi-Fi router, which would be easy to do the needful. So guys, as you see, when you after connecting it to the computer, you will get this interface, and you put this IP address into any browser like 198.168 no 192.168.0.1. That's for the Tenda. After connected, they say connect to Ethernet cable. You can skip that, and here you can also skip without being worried on selecting your connection type as detected your connection, or you put it the dynamic IP address, which doesn't require a lot. Here you give it an SSID of your Wi-Fi name, the one you want to connect on. So let's just you give it any name you'd like to put. Here they want us to log in. Sometimes it takes and fails to connect or to log in, but when you toggle that to set the Wi-Fi password as the login password or the admin account, it will connect without having any issue. You see, sometimes you try many times to enable it and it refuses. So what you do, you just toggle up and forget the rest.
Here I'm going to mix the bands, the 2.4 gigahertz and these. Let's mix them. to mix them, to unify them, you just click on it. So that means you have enabled it. The Wi-Fi name, that's the SSID. Then we go to the security, we click none, since the MikroTik is the one which is going to be providing internet. Then you click OK. Then you have to disable Wi-Fi settings. If you enable it, it will bring more issues. It will bring more issues, okay? So we have to disable it. For the bandwidth, it's okay. Repeater, we don't need to use it as an repeater. We want to use it as an AP mode. Okay. So we go to the settings, the advanced settings. Let's go to the Wi-Fi settings. Basically, they are the ones we are going to consider. Since we want to disable the DHCP server, we are going to change its mode and we put it in an AP mode. This is the mode which will be working for the hotspot business and Wi-Fi signals being stable and clear, and the MikroTik providing internet to the AP and giving it restriction for it. So in this, that's what we are going to do to help your internet to pass through the LAN ports and being provided to other points. So whenever you want to configure this AP, this is where the most magic is done. When you put it in an AP mode, that means the DHCP server is already disabled for your internet to respond very well. So let's put it into an AP mode. As you can see, after enabling the AP mode, connect the Ethernet cable connected to the upstream router to any one LAN or LAN port of this router. In AP mode, the internet settings or VPN control, bandwidth control, virtual server functions and are unavailable. So this means all the restrictions have been disabled. After enabling this, the domain name of the router management changes to this. The domain name, they mean this if you never knew it. That's the domain name, like which you would use to access that router. You would put on Google to get your router. So after changing it, that's what they mean. So let's click OK. And they want to, this router is going to reboot it. So to take the changes of the router, click OK. You have to be patient and wait for some time so that it can save very well your credentials and all the stuff. So if you're there with issues with this Tenda AC configurations or internet installations, just inbox us, we'll let you know. And please don't forget to subscribe and follow this channel for more tech videos to be helped out as we post always, so that we can help you in this tech business. Just wait for it to take the changes which you have applied to it. Okay, it has now been saved. So we put the password which we had created. It's admin256. Let's log in. And we see you have to confirm. Here it shows that 2.4 GHz and the 5 GHz has been enabled and they show one user online. So let's go to Wi-Fi. You see, after doing that saving, even here the settings reduces. They reduce automatically if you're good at keen and you're keen at saying. And here they say our AP has been enabled mode. Schedule disabled and all that stuff. Now let's go to advanced again and see. See, the Wi-Fi app is disabled. Since we want to use the MikroTik to be taking over everything, this we don't need to enable it to monitor it. And light control, all other stuff, they have been removed. So now you can use it as an AP. That's why I've configured this router to do all the needful. Okay. So if you're there with issues, just inbox us. We can sort you out to configure all your APs, all your stuff. So thank you guys.